Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the tigers that were on Skull Island with Kong. Now, we haven't really got to see these tigers much, but we've heard about them in the books, and there is reference to them in the graphic novels too. So I'm going to kind of show you guys just what my version of them would kind of look like. So I'm going to start right up here at the face. So right here I want to start the eye. So I'm just going to draw a little circle shape, just like this for the eye. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. It's going to go over like this. And then another one that just goes around here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve around. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to kind of curve back. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up and down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this down to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes across and then down for the nose. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw lines, just going to kind of curve up. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. And then it's just going to kind of curve over a little bit. Now, I'm going to give this kind of like a saber-toothed tiger feel to it. So I'm just going to make a long kind of canine tooth that comes down. And then I'm just going to draw this line. It's going to kind of curve up and then come back. And then in here, I'm just going to add a few more kind of sharp teeth. Then right here, I'm just going to add some kind of like spiky lines for the chin. And then I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to add kind of like some zigzag lines, kind of give it like a furry look. And then kind of starting up here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of curve this line around here. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes around and then back for the ear. Now, starting up here, I'm just going to kind of continue this line up just a bit. And then one of the things they talked about is that this tiger had these horns coming from its head. And they said it was almost kind of a little bit more like antlers. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up and then come back down. And then I'm just going to make another one that just kind of has a few little kind of spikes on it. Maybe another little spike here, and I'm just going to kind of bring it right back down into there. Then I'm going to put just some kind of quick little furry lines up here. And then over here I want to add just another one. So I'm going to kind of keep that same kind of pattern, just kind of curve up and down and add a couple little kind of spikes in there. Then starting right here, I'm going to kind of continue up. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to draw a line. It's going to go back down here. I'm going to add some kind of little spikes onto it. Make it look like it's really furry. And then I'm just going to kind of draw a line that just goes down here. Now we're going to jump over here and kind of work on the neck. So I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to curve here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. It's going to curve over. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to go down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then down. It's going to curve over for the paw. Make another line right here that kind of does the same thing, a little smaller version. And I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. And that's just going to kind of curve up here, so it's got a really powerful front paw. Then starting here, I'm going to add another one. So I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go down. I'm going to kind of do the same thing. Just add one of those big paws and then kind of add a little toe around here. We'll add another one right there. Then I'm just going to kind of draw a big chest that's going to go up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of come back. We'll go down just a little bit here. And then I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve here. Another one right there. And we'll add another kind of little curve line right here for this back foot. And I'm just going to go up, kind of over, and then around here. Then right here I'm going to add the next one. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of does the same thing, curves down like this. Add a little curve for a toe, another one right here, put one behind it. Then we'll kind of draw this line up and over and just go right up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. I'm going to kind of curve it up and kind of bring it around here. I'm going to kind of continue the spot right here and then just kind of curve it right around. Just going to kind of bring this around for a long tail, kind of add a little bit of fur at the end, make an extra line here just to make it look a little bigger. So we'll kind of add a little line that's going to curve right into here, just kind of help with the size of it. So here's our basic shape. Now we just kind of want to come in here and add some of the different details and everything. So I'm just going to come in here and just add some sharp claws onto our little tiger, our Skull Island tiger. I'm going to add just claws on all of the feet and all the toes. I'm going to add some details kind of up by the face. So I'm just going to add a couple little lines right here, a little line right there. Lines here, we'll give it a little dot for a pupil. I'm going to add just a couple little kind of quick curved lines in here. Add a little line kind of right over here by its mouth. A few quick little whiskers on here. Then I'm going to add just some kind of long, kind of broken lines onto the antlers here, just to give them a little bit of texture and detail. Add just a couple little quick lines over here just to show some detail by the legs. A couple more little lines right around here. And then I'm actually going to leave this alone right now. I'm not going to put all the stripes in because I want to do those in a different color than just using the black. And the stripe pattern is just going to be very, very similar to a tiger, and you'll see some different parts on it. And I will kind of try to slow that down a little bit for you so you guys can see some of the different details. But here you go. Here is our drawing of a giant white tiger from Kong Skull Island. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.